I decided to dive into Pomelli to see how it would handle a launch for a spring 2026 collection. I started by letting the tool discover the brand, setting the stage for a persona that feels modern and effortless. The kind of style that bridges the gap between professional excellence and that coveted weekend relaxation. From there, I fed it the core mission. A three-part email sequence designed for the working professional who values their downtime. I wanted to move away from the 9-to-5 grind and into a shift in mindset aesthetic. To keep things grounded in the future of fashion, I focused the creative direction on fabric technology, specifically sustainable linens and high-stretch technical fabrics that refuse to wrinkle. When I started refining the visual direction, I steered the AI toward chill spaces. Think sun-drenched cafes and sleek home patios, to really reinforce that off-the-clock vibe. As the ideas started flowing, I bypassed the standard hype in favor of something more sophisticated. I eventually landed on a winner for the second email, designed for Saturday's pace. A concept that perfectly showcased a weekend uniform, capable of transitioning from a Friday meeting to a Saturday brunch without missing a beat. It gave a few ideas for the campaign. Let's go with Saturday's pace perfected. I can edit the header, the font, description, and a clear call to action. I think this is pretty good, so I won't change anything. I'll click generate. It generates the final image. As the campaign reached its final act, I moved into a last call phase titled Final Hours for 15% off. The goal was to create a refined sense of urgency to secure those seasonal essentials before the launch event concluded. To add a bit of flair, I decided to animate the weekend uniform hero image. The result? Perhaps not the most groundbreaking motion, but it added a professional touch to the final outreach. My takeaway is that for a small business without a full marketing team, a tool like this is a massive asset. It takes a brand's core identity and scales it into a cohesive public campaign in a fraction of the time.